let us show you together how this will look. And then we're going to give you some pointers. Backward ocho for both. Leaders, remember we need to close embrace here. Here's the first point. Backward ocho. Why? I'm closing embrace, and now with my forearm and my rib cage, I'm starting to lift her. And at the same time, I feel almost like this side step around her is the one that will help me to rotate. Look what happened. Jacques. Yes. So I'm connecting. If we have like a position here together, when we both close, look what happened. We end up in a connection that we need. Remember the basic volcada that we had? It was the connection here. Same case in this one. So we are taking back step. As I'm taking the side step, I will look for that connection. So that way she can start extending the leg in front. I will start walking back, side. At this moment we're in volcada position. Hold the volcada position. And the last one is with the right, getting her into the axis. She's off axis. Now she needs to go back to axis. And of course also back to the line of dance. From here, I keep lifting her and we walk out in cross system left for the leaders, getting her into the cruzada and resolution. Again, this is not a basic figure. You have to be a little more intermediate advanced to achieve this properly.
You can do this, of course, at the social dancing moment. So you don't have to be doing like exhibition or shows to do that. It can be very small, very beautiful for close embrace, social dancing, anytime. Let's rotate so they can see why the follower have to move the leg to the left a little faster than normally. So we're doing the side step to the ochos. 1, 2, ochos. I feel here the position. Here, I'm going to the cross. I feel like it's really natural to go to the cross because he's very close to me. If in the case you don't go to the cruzada, to the cross, and you are keeping the leg here, it will work anyways because you have this free leg, which is your left, to go forward. But in this position, I feel very natural to go to the cruzada and connect with the leader. In this position, I feel already going off axis. So this is when I, decide to extend the leg. Now, this is the first move, and I have my leg very much to my left. I will keep pulling my leg to the left, like moving away from his toe. 2, 3. In this position, it's almost on my side. So it's not in front of me, the leg is more on my side. Going up to feet together, waiting for the last moment on very much feet together. What I mean is don't keep the leg out for a long time. We are creating long circle, little shorter, coming to the other leg, feet together on the last few steps of the leader.
Yes.
So it's not very much all the time out making a big circle. It's like angle, extension, little shorter, triangle, 2 feet together, okay?
That tells us, leaders, that we should not keep walking forever and ever here because it'll become heavy for her. It's not a very natural position, even though it works and we have the point of connection and everything, but she needs a little momentum to go out, and right away she will start having the need to come back to axis. Holding it will make you feel heavier and heavier and heavier, or sliding.
So it's more like an oval shape than a big circle shape.
That is correct.
That's very important to control, to have control in the volcada in this case. Dynamic for the step, so we go 1, 8, 1 and 2, connection, extension, together, and resolution. So if you notice, he's walking kind of fast. It could be slower with dynamic and not too apart from the follower. Let's do it from this side so they can see again the same dynamic. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Thanks so much for watching the video until the end.
That really means a lot to us and we really appreciate your support. Make sure to check out the next recommendations that are coming up and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.